I never thought I'd be a dog person. Honestly, I had no plans to get a dog at all. My life was simple, predictable, but life has a funny way of throwing you the best kind of curveballs, doesn't it? It all started on a rainy Tuesday. I was walking home, umbrella barely holding up against the downpour, when I felt something nudge my leg. I looked down, and there he was. A tiny, shivering brown puppy looking up at me with the biggest, saddest eyes I'd ever seen. He was completely lost. My heart just melted. What could I do? I couldn't leave him there. So I scooped him up, brought him inside, and wrapped him in a warm towel. I found some leftover chicken in the fridge, which he devoured in seconds. He seemed so happy, so safe. As he curled up on a blanket, I decided he needed a name. Buddy. It just felt right. The next morning, I was trying to figure out what to do next. Call the shelter, put up posters, when there was a knock at my door. I opened it to find a girl standing there, her eyes red from crying. She looked so worried. "Excuse me," she said, her voice trembling a little. "I know this is a long shot, but have you seen a little brown puppy? He got scared by the thunder yesterday and ran off." A huge smile spread across my face. I couldn't help it. I just pointed behind me to where the little guy was currently trying to chew on my shoe. "You mean Buddy?" I asked. Her face went from despair to pure relief, and then she laughed. A beautiful, genuine laugh. "You named him already?" she asked, shaking her head. I invited her in, and we sat on the floor while Buddy excitedly ran back and forth between us, wagging his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. She told me his real name was Rocky, and how she'd been searching for him all night. We talked for what felt like hours. After that day, we started walking him together in the park where she'd lost him. Those morning walks quickly turned into afternoon coffee breaks, and those coffee breaks, well, they eventually turned into dates. It's amazing, isn't it? Sometimes you're not even looking for love. And it doesn't always come from a dating app or a chance meeting at a bar. Sometimes it finds you when you least expect it, brought to your doorstep by a small, happy. Thank you so much for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.